Welcome to LoadTrek. This is going to be the first video of a 4-part series for the LoadTrek ELD from a driver standpoint on how to use your ELD. We are going to start out with signing in. We are going to click the Start Day button. Then we are going to enter in our driver ID number. Once that is entered, we are going to click the green button. We are then going to enter in our passcode. With that entered, we are going to click the green button again. Now we need to select our driving profile. If you work for a company that has multiple companies under it, this is where you're going to select the company that you work for. Next, we need to select our duty status. If that is the correct duty status, you are going to click Confirm. We are now going to complete our pre-trip driver vehicle inspection. If there are any issues in our driver inspection, we can use the scroll wheel to select the issue. If I need more depth, I can enter a comment here. Once I have entered the comment, I can click Submit. If that is all for the pre-trip inspection, we can click Pass. If the vehicle did not pass the inspection, you're going to click Fail. After I have completed the vehicle inspection report, I can sign and click Sign. We have now entered into the LoadTrek ELD. This is the main page of the ELD. The first portion, we will have the dashboard. If you click on this, this gives you an overview of your information. The first bubble is going to show how many minutes you have till your break. I am currently under a driving profile where I don't need a break. Next, you have your weekly available. Then we have your speed, your on-duty available, and then your driving available. This is where it shows your fuel information and your route. At any point to get out of this page, you can click a bubble and it'll take you back to the main page. On the main page, there is a smaller version here of our dashboard. Next, I'm going to take you to the HOS. If you use the scroll bar here, it takes you to that. I can then click on HOS. This is the HOS page. If the office made some sort of change to our HOS log, we can click Sync HOS. This will give us any updates. If you needed to change your duty status to off-duty or sleeper, you can click Change Duty Status and select your profile. I'm going to select Sleeper. You then will confirm that status. It now has changed my HOS log. I can also, if I go to the home page, we have one other way to change our status. If we scroll on the spin wheel, we can go to Change Duty Status. If I click on that, I can also change my duty status. So if I want to go back onto On Duty Not Driving, I can change it to that. Highlight it and click on On Duty Not Driving. I will then confirm the status. And now we see that my log has changed. I'm then going to hit the home button to go back to the main page. Now, if I were to end my day, or if I was changing to a different vehicle at a relay point, what I'm going to do is scroll all the way down on the spin wheel. I'm going to select End Day and click on it. I'm then going to change my duty status to off duty. I'm going to confirm the duty status. I then need to do the post-trip driver vehicle inspection for this vehicle. If there are any issues, I can use the spin wheel to put it into that category. If there are not any issues, I can click the pass button. I will then need to confirm and click the sign button. We now see the log for the day. If that log looks correct, I can click validate. I will then need to confirm my log for the day by signing and click sign. Now we have ended our day and logged out of the LoadTrek ELD. It then brings you back to the main menu. This completes our first video in the four-part series of the LoadTrek ELD, how a driver uses it. Thank you.